Tonight's forecast is sponsored by Integrity Ag Group, precision ag technology specializing in planting, harvesting, fertilizer, application, and drainage. Find them on Facebook under Integrity Ag Group. Tonight's forecast, some evening thunderstorms over southeast Illinois and Kentucky. Some of those storms could produce hail and gusty winds. We'll keep a close eye on them. All that comes to an end later tonight. Colder, lows in the upper 30s to lower 40s. Northwest winds 6 to 12 miles per hour with gusts above 25 during the evening hours. Good evening, I'm meteorologist Bo Dotson. We've got some thunderstorms. I tell you, don't turn your back on temperatures in the 60s and 70s during the month of February. I mentioned that earlier today. We do have a cold front that's moving through the area, and there's just enough lift along this boundary to spark some thunderstorms. These storms are producing hail, dime to maybe nickel size. I've had several reports of hail in Johnson County and Polk County. Storms are moving off to the southeast, and they do have some spin in them as well, some rotation. These are very tiny, almost like supercell storms. You can see here these hooks. That's a little bit of rotation. The Storm Prediction Center just issued a statement saying they're going to keep a close eye on them. Probably not going to issue a watch, but they did mention that some of the storms could produce damaging winds and maybe a small risk for a brief tornado. So we'll keep a close eye on those. Amazing temperatures right now. Let's switch over to the temperature map, see if I can turn that on. We'll switch over to a different source and look at temperatures. Check this out, 72 degrees in Marion, Illinois, almost 6 o'clock in the evening in February. Incredible temperatures, very unusual weather. 60s widespread across the area, numerous locations in the 70s, including Cape Girardeau, Sykeston, Paducah, 68 degrees in Mayfield, 75 degrees in the Blytheville, Arkansas area, 76 in Jonesboro, almost 80 degrees over parts of northeast Arkansas. Just amazing. Look off to the northwest. Here comes the colder air back here, a little bit further behind the front. That will filter into the area later tonight. Temperatures dropping into the upper 30s, lower 40s. Now tomorrow, a weak system moves through the area with some rain, maybe a thunderstorm over Kentucky. We'll keep an eye on that. If a thunderstorm were to develop tomorrow, it could produce some small hail, pea, dime-sized hail. As the cold air filters in tomorrow night, if there's any moisture left over, maybe a snow shower, maybe some black ice as well. If we do have showers develop tomorrow, we'll have to keep an eye as temperatures fall tomorrow night into the 20s. Could have some black ice on parking lots, maybe on roads. We'll keep an eye on that. Black ice is simply moisture left over after the rain exits. Temperatures fall. Sometimes that freezes. Okay, we'll keep a close eye on these thunderstorms this evening. If there's any watches or warnings issued, I'll send that out in a text message. Just keep an eye on them for now. Have a nice evening.